Okay, the next resistance machine we're going to be using is the assisted pull-up machine. Just like a normal pull-up, it's going to work similar, same muscles. So it's going to really hit your latissimus dorsi and your biceps, but you're going to feel this in your forearms also. First, safely step onto the machine using the steps provided. Hold the handles with the grip of your choice, and then we want to kneel down into the platform. Okay, pressing your weight down into the platform. Want to align your body nice and straight here. Excellent. Pull up, keeping your shoulder blades, your scapula retracted, bringing your chin to the level of the bars. And we don't want to fully lock out the arms and the elbows when we go down, so we want to keep our biceps away from our ears. Excellent, nice and controlled movement on the way down. Good, slowly on the way down. Okay, just at another angle here. We want to really make sure that we're retracting our shoulder blades at all times. Control the movement on the way down and keep our biceps away from our ears at the bottom point. Carefully step off and slowly lower. Good.